Pranamam Sarvebhya. Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel Ira's Quintessence. Today I'll be explaining a fascinating lesson, Deepavali. Deepavali is the favorite festival of all. If your favorite festival is also Deepavali, please let me know in the comments. Let's get starting. This lesson is about the importance and meaning of Deepavali. विद्यार्थिनः नमस्ते आचार्य दीपावलेः शुभाशयाः. The students are wishing their teacher happy Deepavali. आचार्यः नमस्ते उपविशन्तु सर्वेपि उपविशन्ति. The teachers says namaste and he says everyone to sit down. युष्माभ्यमपि दीपावली शुभाशयाः. He wishes everyone happy Deepavali. अस्मिन् अवसरे दीपावलिमहोत्सवस्य महत्त्वम् अपि किञ्चित् वदामि. In this opportunity, I will be explaining the importance of Deepavali. पर्वाणां महत्त्वम् अज्ञात्वा अन्धविश्वासेन एतेषाम् आचरणं कदापि न कुर्यात्. Without knowing the importance of the festivals, do not celebrate it. श्रद्धे प्रसिद्धनामस्माकं पर्वाणां नामानि वदति किम्? He asked Shraddha to name the famous festivals celebrated by us. Shraddha, अस्तु श्रीमन्, केषाञ्चन पर्वाणां नामानि वक्तुं प्रयते. Shraddha says, yes sir, I will try to say some festivals names. आचार्यः अस्तु उच्यताम्. He says, please tell. श्रद्धा गणेशचतुर्थी नवरात्रं विजयदशमी दीपावलिः शिवरात्रिः श्रीकृष्णजन्माष्टमी मकरसङ्क्रमणं युगादिः होलिकोत्सवश्च भारतवर्षस्य मुख्योत्सवाः सन्ति. She says some festivals names and ends the dialogue. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and share. And please check the channel for part 2.